We just got our son his first fishing kit. Now, first off, it comes in an awesome little carrying bag. And once you open it up, there's so much neat stuff in here. We've got a handy little net. Then check this out. I actually can't believe how awesome this little fishing pole looks. I mean, look at those bright, fun colors. Now it has soft, comfortable handles, a really fun release button that has flames on it. We've got a nice little cap on the top. And if we pop that off, look how long that is. I think this is gonna be the perfect size. Now it starts at 16 inches and extends to 59. Now my favorite thing about this kit has to be the fact that this thing is ready to go. It requires practically no setup and it's super simple to use. This thing really has everything you need to get started. We've got a neat little tackle box with all kinds of goodies in here. Inside we've got 5 squid, 2 bobbers, 2 hard lures, 10 jig heads, 10 hooks, 10 swivels, 10 beads, and 9 soft lures. Oh, and one last thing, it even comes with a handy little guide, which I think is seriously awesome because I don't actually know much about fishing, but there's literally everything you need to know in this little guide. Overall, this whole kit is super fun, it's really well made, and best of all, my son thinks it's super cool. So if you're looking for a fishing kit for your kids, definitely check this one out.